What's up, y'all? This is Miss Dinadee here. So today I'm coming at you with a hot oil treatment video. This is my hair before my hot oil treatment, and I'll be showing you how I do it, and we'll be showing you how my hair is after the hot oil treatment. So it's been 2 to 3 days since I washed my hair. I did my washing and conditioning already. So if you want to see more, please keep watching. So for this treatment, I'm going to be using honey, avocado oil, and extra virgin oil, as well as a couple containers, one for my honey and oils, as well as a larger container so that I can put my oil to warm them up. And here I'm putting my extra virgin olive oil. I already put the honey in that container, and I have the hot water in the bigger container at the bottom. And now I'm using my avocado oil. So I just eyeball everything. I don't really measure anything, but I know exactly the amount that my hair will need. And now I'm just stirring so that I can have the consistency that I'm looking for, which will be a creamy consistency. So now I'm just parting my hair in 3 sections. That's going to be easier for me to apply the hot oil treatment. And I'm also going to be spraying my hair with a little bit of water just to make sure that I have more moisturizing benefits out of that oil treatment. And I'm also, as you can see, I'm also detangling as I go. And the oil makes it very easy, the oil and water, that makes it very easy for me to detangle my hair. Now I'm just making sure that I apply the treatment thoroughly throughout my hair. You can also use it in your scalp. For some reason I forgot to do that. So for this video I did not use it in my scalp, but you can, however, use it in your scalp. Honey can be used for itching, dandruff, and it's rich with antioxidant properties which can prevent damage and keeps your scalp and hair healthy. So now I'm just gonna put my shower caps in to make sure that I deep condition my hair. I'm just gonna be using 2 shower caps, but if you have a hooded dryer or hot cap, you can also use those. For the purpose of this video, I'm just gonna use this because that's what I have, and you don't need anything more than that as long as you have time to wait for 30 minutes to an hour. That's enough for your hair to deep condition with this hot oil treatment. Alright, you guys,
what my hair looks like. It's freshly washed. I just got out of the water. I just dried a little bit. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, I don't know if you guys can see, but it is shiny. I had a lot of sleep. Like, I was really surprised how much sleep I had. It was so easy for me to detangle my hair, and best of all is that this is the only amount of shedding that I had. I swear this is it. It's not even, it's ridiculous. Like, I'm so happy because my type of hair is known to shed a lot, so this works really well for my hair. I think I'm gonna do it every so often, maybe every couple of weeks. But I am happy with the result. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more of this type of video, please subscribe and like. And thanks again. See you next time.